Let's talk about the Zhiyun Weebill Lab. Weebill? I think that's how you pronounce Hey guys, Sidney Diongzon here, and we're just gonna get straight into it. So right off the bat, you'll notice that the Weebill Lab is a complete breakaway from the traditional handheld gimbal design, and I think that's a really good thing. Personally, I think that we're still early in this gimbal age. We're trying to figure out what kind of gimbal forms are right for us filmmakers. You've got the bigger gimbals like the Movi, you've got the more traditional handheld gimbals like the Ronin S and the Crane 2, but I think the new Weebill Lab solves a problem that many filmmakers that have gimbals have. And that problem is, how am I gonna pack a gimbal in my camera bag? There are a couple gimbals out there that you can break down and place into your camera bag quite easily, like the Ronin S, the Crane Plus. But for me, as a filmmaker on the go, I would much rather have a gimbal that I can easily pack into my bag and easily take it out when I'm ready to film. And that's where the Weebill Lab comes in. Let's take a look at my notes. So the Weebill Lab has more of a compact design where you can easily stow it away in your camera bag. And the only thing to assemble is the mini tripod handle. So cool. So cool. Now, if you want to use the Weebill Lab in the traditional handheld gimbal form factor, simply attach the mini tripod to the bottom of the gimbal. Or you can attach the mini tripod handle to the back end of the Weebill Lab gimbal and use it in what they call Sling Mode. Now, I won't know for sure until I use it for myself, but that seems to be a really practical way to operate a gimbal. Not only that, hold on. Look at my notes. So you've got Sling Mode, which is a really interesting feature for the Weebill Lab, but also the Weebill Lab features HD wireless transmission. This is huge. So pretty much you can use your mobile device as a monitor to view your footage from the gimbal. There's also a 1/4-20 thread near the handle to add accessories like a magic arm. And so if you want to use an actual monitor, then you can do that as well. It has a 3-kilogram payload. That is, what's that in American? So it can hold just over 6 pounds. I don't know why we're like that, I'm sorry. And it has a locking mechanism to lock every axis, which is super helpful, especially if you're traveling. No more Velcro holding my axis. Now, according to Zhiyun, the Weebill Lab is not going to replace the Crane 2. In fact, it's a gimbal in its own different class, and I think it's geared towards filmmakers that travel a lot. But that's a really good thing to add more options in the gimbal market because different filmmakers are gonna have different requirements. The release of the gimbal is going to be in sometime in October, I believe, maybe early November, but I'll keep you up to date on that. But overall, I am super excited about this gimbal and I'm excited to try it out and see how it performs. But so I want to pass the question off to you. What do you guys think of the Weebill Lab? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's weird? Do you prefer more of the traditional handheld gimbal form factor? Or better yet, what are you looking for in a gimbal? Well, let me know in the comments below. I would love to see your thoughts and let's get a discussion going. Anyway, I gotta go to a dentist appointment. And so I don't know why I said it like that. But if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Woo, new gimbals, I love it. Bye.